And we leave you with this song, which I always dedicate to my Saviour, Jesus Christ. God bless you. You've been marvellous to me. Thank you. Everybody needs a little help sometime. No one stands alone. Makes no difference if you're just a child like me, or a king upon a throne. For there are no exceptions. We all stand in the line. Everybody needs a friend. Let me tell you of mine. He's my forever friend. My leave me never friend. From darkest night to rainbow's end, he's my forever friend. Even when I turn away, he cares for me. His love no one can shake. Even as I walk away, he's by my side. With every breath I take. And sometimes I forget him. My halo fails to shine. Sometimes I'm not his friend, but he is all. He's my forever friend. I leave me never friend. From darkest night to rainbow's end, he's my forever friend. If you still don't know the one I'm talking about, I think it's time you knew. Long ago, far away, upon the cross, my friend died for you. So if you'd like to meet him, but don't know what to do, ask my friend into your heart. He'll be your friend too. He's my forever friend. My leave me never friend. From darkest night to rainbow's end, he's my forever friend. Jesus is my best friend.